Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Last Sunday I went to a free music festival here in North London, and while I was there I ran into an old friend of mine I haven't seen for a while. He's a few years older than me, in his mid-60s now, and as we were chatting, it turned out he's had a bit of a rough time of late. He told me that his kids left home a few years ago and he was approaching retirement. He was basically financially secure. As he said, he'd got everything on an even keel, and then suddenly, one day, his wife left him, making everything much more complicated and difficult for him. If you say that you have things or you've got things on an even keel, you basically mean that everything's regular, everything's very stable, it's not likely to change anytime soon or to change in any sudden way. The keel is actually part of a boat. It's the kind of wooden or metal strip that runs along the bottom of the boat. It's part of the structure of a boat that stops the boat from tilting to one side or the other. It helps the boat to stay balanced. So, you want your boat to be on an even keel so it doesn't capsize. Maybe if a new manager comes into a company that's been having problems, if they're a good manager, they might manage to put the company back on an even keel. If you've ever been through a very traumatic breakup with a partner or a husband or a wife, you'll know that it can be hard to get your life back on an even keel after this kind of event. Maybe you know people who are always really good in a crisis. People who are basically unflappable. No matter what happens, they always keep on an even keel. And maybe if you have quite a hectic life, if things are quite chaotic, you might find that something like meditation helps keep you on an even keel. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use on an even keel.